So the first step is going to be put this thing on. Next step is going to be attaching these just like that. This is where the monitor piece is going to go. And you're going to tighten this screw right here. And that's what's going to stop it from coming back off. Okay, next step, go ahead and put it on here. Tighten this bolt just like the other one. Next thing we're going to do is install this bracket. I haven't used the screws that it came with this bracket, but it does come with all the stuff you need, as well as spacers to put right here if you want. Next, take your bracket and slide it just like that, and that's why this guy right here goes on top. So whenever you first put this on, you're going to have to adjust this little bolt right here, or else your screen's going to fall down. And as well as this way, you can see it's just going to fall. That little bolt right there is going to be increasing or decreasing this direction. So this is it. It took like no time to install. You can see what it looks like on the back there. From the front, all my wires are hidden and everything like that, and I have a lot more room on my desk now.